Going to a trade show takes time, money, and effort. Online sourcing might not always facilitate long-term, trusted business relationships either. And with industry trends constantly shifting, just how do you keep up? Introducing Alibaba.com online trade shows, the year-round industry-specific virtual sourcing events that connect you with third-party verified suppliers and millions of product ideas to scale up your business. Click on the online trade show banner on the homepage and get on the sourcing fast lane. First, identify and connect with suitable suppliers without engaging in person. Our digital booths allow you to quickly understand suppliers' full range of capabilities. Through our live feature, you can boost your sourcing efficiency by interacting with suppliers in real time. My Matches helps you to arrange one-on-one consultations with suppliers. Second, unlock your sourcing potential in an elite business environment. Visit world-renowned events such as IFA Berlin through direct portals within our online trade shows. Connect with ease, safe in the knowledge that all attending suppliers are verified suppliers. Third, keep up with the fast-changing market. Be the first to access the newest products in your industry with product launch events. And stay ahead of trends with data-driven sourcing insights from top 10 trends releases and topical forums. And those are the reasons why serious buyers like you can have a more efficient and curated sourcing and networking experience at Alibaba.com online trade shows. Mark your calendars now for the next Alibaba.com online trade show, where connections mean business.